Hi everyone. Thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. We're going to get right into today's video, and today's video is from a company called Facetory, and they are a Korean sheet mask company. And just a quick description of their company: they have two subscription bags that you can get. One is the Forever Fresh Kit. You receive 4 face masks, and it is $8.90 a month. And they do offer prepayment plans where you save a little bit of money. And they also offer another bag that is the 7 Luxe. You receive 7 face masks, and that is $19.90 a month. And you save a little bit additional if you do the prepay. And I think that's all. Their company just turned 2 years old back in November in 2018. So they are still a relatively new company compared to some of the other ones out there. So here's what the bag looks like when you receive it. The other side just has my shipping label on it. Cute bag. And it is a resealable bag if you are interested in keeping your masks inside. And you get your first card here, which is Ready, Set, Glow, which is this month's theme. And it does here on the card just give you some tips on how to use face mask, which is interesting. So it gets you the little card. And then you get a card included here, which tells you about the 4 masks. I get the, I think, what did I say? It was called the Forever Fresh Mask Kit, which you get 4. So it tells you about all 4 of the masks. If you get the other one, which is 7, your card would reflect based upon that. And this is good because it gives you a little bit of information about the mask. A lot of these, since it is a Korean skincare, the sheet mask company, some of them are not in English. So here it just gives you a little bit about the masks. And the first one is Moon Velvet, and it's a moisturizing cream mask. And this has shea butter in it and sodium hyaluronate. So they're very good for your skin for moisturization. So that's a nice mask. This is a cream mask. And like I said, some of this in the back is in English, which is good. And just a little tip that I caught last month from their little tips and tricks, that if you don't like, these sheet masks are obviously, cool to your face when you put them on. And if that's not something that you like, that cool feeling, you can take the entire sheet mask envelope without it being opened and just put it in a bowl of, I would say, tap water, warm water, and let it sit for a little bit and let it warm up. And then when you put it on your face, it's warm to your face instead of cool. So if you're at all interested in doing that, I think that would, I usually just put them on with the way they come, but I thought that was a nice little little tip there. And the second one is the mask, I guess it's Look at Me, and this is a collagen essence face mask. And their key ingredients are hydrolyzed collagen and rice extract. And this basically minimizes free radical damage. And the collagen obviously provides elasticity and helps plump up your skin. So collagen is always a great thing. And then the next mask, I don't even know how the name of the company is Lyogen. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And this is a 1-day 1 mask, and this is a brightening mask. And this has antioxidants to help fight inflammation and provide anti-aging properties. And this has turmeric extract, which is good to provide glow and luster to your skin. So that's nice. I love sheet masks. And then the last one is, I guess the name of the company is right there on the side, and it's No HJ. And this is Mycoliter's Dermal Elasticity Mask Pack. That's a mouthful. I don't understand what they mean by pack. I'm assuming there's just one mask. Yeah, I have no idea. I would assume there's just one mask. And this has the same as the other one, the hydrolyzed collagen. And this one also contains bamboo leaf extract. And the extract helps replenish collagen in your skin while also improves the skin's flexibility, resulting in firmer, smoother skin. So that's always nice. So there's the 4 face masks that I received in my box this month. And I just wanted to let you know to remember to like this video, share with all your friends, and leave me a comment. And most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And to all my subscribers, you do mean the world to me. And I appreciate every one of you that watch my videos, leave me comments, and share my videos. So that would be my Facetory subscription box for the month. And have a great day. Bye.